homework what I gave. One by one on your videos and show your classworks. Yes, I can see Akash. Yes, Akash.
Ma'am,
Navya,
last class I didn't attend, ma'am.
last class you are not there, ma. I think you are there.
No, no.
No, why? Why breaks? Akash, good. I can see your work. Good. Srihita, I can see you. Good. Good. Srihita, I can see you. Jitvesh. Yes, Srihita. Srihita, good. Yes, Jitvesh, I can see your work, but not that much correctly. And yes, Sahu, I can see you. Good. And Rishit, I can see you. Yes. Jitvesh, I can see you. I want to see the students. Jitvesh, yes, completed. And Srihita showed. Rishit, Sahu completed. Akash, good. What's about Siddharth, Sahasra, Pallav? Yes. Sahasra completed, ma?
1 minute, ma'am, I will show.
Okay, right. Navya, earlier class I just updated in classroom also the video. Please go through that video and try to complete the work, Nana.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
skip the classes, children. Yes, I can see Sahasra. Good. Yes. Shall we start our class, children? Please don't disturb Navyasri sister, please. Off your videos, children, so that we can.
Ma'am, shall I show, ma'am?
Yes, Pallav, I told all of you supposed to show, but some students I didn't see that students. Where is Pallav? Yes, Pallav. Good. Yes, I can see Pallav. Good.
That's it,
Ganesh.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, children. Shall we start our session? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Right. Now let me share my screen. Just a minute.
Bye.
Yes. Okay, there is no rational numbers here. I didn't add that part. Okay. Anyway, we'll take a normal blackboard and we'll go with work. Okay. Children, what are the task I gave for you? I gave Joshmita. Yes, are you able to see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute now.
Ma'am, what you said, can you repeat? Because there was
Okay.
something break.
Yes, there is a network issue. Maybe there is a poor network connection. Just a minute, children. I'll relog in once again. Yes, children. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, now you are audible.
Yes, right, Nana. Yes, children. Today, what till addition and subtraction? Any doubt, children, for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. No, multiplication of rational numbers is nothing but the same as it is like a fractions. So let me take any rational number. Please give one rational number, ma. Any one rational number.
Ma'am,
Nothing
16
is
upon 64.
Minus 8 by 9.
8 upon some 14 multiplied
Ma'am,
with
16 upon 64.
yes minus 7 upon minus 16. Yes, I need to multiply these two rational numbers. First step, children, try to understand. First step. Yes,
We can reduce numbers.
yes, you can
We should
reduce,
simplify.
children. You can reduce. This we can clearly say that it is positive integer, positive rational number. This is negative rational number. So positive multiplied with negative means what you are getting, children? Result is
Negative.
negative. Till here it is no doubt. Now any reducing is there. You have to see 8 ones are 8 twos are 16 and 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. What is the numerator? Numerator terms are only 1 at 1. Denominator terms are 2 into 2. This is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Any doubt,
Four,
ma?
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 2 into 2, 4.
Sorry, Rana. 2 into 2, 4. Good. Good.
Ma'am, but how we cut minus 7 upon minus 16? Because 7 upon 16, how can we cut?
What, Akash? Akash, any doubt here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because you have cutted 7 upon 16, ma'am. How can we cut, ma'am?
No, I'm not cutted up 7 upon 16. There is another
7,
numerator,
14
you
and
have
8 and
8.
16.
There is another numerator, you have 8. You see, another
Yes, ma'am.
numerator,
Yes,
you have 8. With 8, I cutted with 16 and 7, I cutted with 14. You can do
Okay, ma'am.
simplification with another numerator also, children, not a numerator with denominator, you're supposed to simplify.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay, right. No problem. Next one, we know that minus 7 is in rational number, children.
Yes, ma'am.
All integers are
Yes,
rational
ma'am.
numbers. Yes. Minus 7 multiplied with,
Ma'am,
yes,
Ma'am, by 1 will be.
first
minus 7 multiplied with minus 3 by 63. Yes, please solve
Ma'am,
it,
can we,
children.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
yes, Satvik.
Ma'am, can we write it as minus 7 by 1?
Very good,
Ma'am,
Satvik.
B1 answer is 1 1 upon 3.
1 upon 3. Good. Very good. 1 upon 3. Why? Because minus into minus. It's together plus. So here what we supposed to cut, children? 7 ones are
7 9s are.
9s are. So what is left over here? Minus 3 by. So
Ma'am,
again
3
3 can
ones
be
are, 3 nines are.
3 3s are.
Ma'am, minus 3, ma'am.
ఎక్కడ నా మైనస్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? దిస్ ఈజ్ నెగటివ్, దిస్ ఈజ్
Ma'am, it's minus 3, ma'am, so it should come minus 3.
కాదు నాన్న, ఆల్రెడీ యూ హ్యావ్ నెగటివ్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ నంబర్. దట్ నెగటివ్ నంబర్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ నెగటివ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ వన్.
Yes.
నాన్న ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ నంబర్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ నెగటివ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నెగటివ్. నెగటివ్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ నెగటివ్ నంబర్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ యాజ్.
No, ma'am, I'm saying that.
plus.
Yes, Rishit,
Ma'am.
correct. What you are saying is correct only. Minus 3 by 63. You can leave that sign. Just number you have to cancel it, and at last you have to see the signs. Negative multiplied with negative gives positive result.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma? Any doubt in this second one? Any doubt in second one?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Come on, children. Take a few more examples quickly. Minus 7 by 3 multiplied with 6 by 35 multiplied with minus 42 divided by minus 36. Nana. There are 3 rational numbers you're supposed to multiply. How you did for 2 rational numbers?
Ma'am, in
It
the
is very
third one, some minus will get cancelled.
yes.
Minus 7 ones are 7 fives are 35.
Okay.
Then 6 ones are 6 are 36.
Okay.
3 ones are, and we can cancel 42 and 3 also.
Yes. Please complete this sum and put a chart, children. Don't.
Ma'am, 3 14s are 42.
Yes. Please solve it and put your personal chart for me. Just a minute. I'll come back, children.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
What? What sound?
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
Ma'am, I too sent you the answer.
So even I send you the answer.
Yes, I can see your answers, children. There are 10 students they sent. Let me check one by one. Yes. Sahasra minus 14 by 13. You need to reduce Sahasra because 14 and 30 will go in two table. You're supposed to reduce and give your answer. And Pallav, sign you have to check Pallav. Pallav, you are giving a 7 by 15. Sign you supposed to check. Siddharth, the 1 by 70 is not correct, Nana. Srihita, correct. Srihita. Yes, Srihita, you are giving correct answer. And Akash Deep, what is denominator, Akash?
Ma'am, my denominator is 15. By mistake, I have written 10, ma'am.
Okay, Jashmita, you are correct, but you need to reduce that. And Satvik.
Ma'am, I reduced it and I sent you the answer after.
Okay. Right. Yes, Pallav, correct. There are everyone are correct, children. Only the thing you try to do yourself best, but only.
Ma'am, am I correct?
Yes, Sahu, I saw first only. Yes, correct. I didn't mention your name, but I saw very first.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Children, everyone are correct. Only one or two students they did wrong, and the rest all are correct. Rishit, the sign you have to check, Rishit. Once, let me see on the screen. See, we know that both are Yes. See, children, I am unable to do this. What happened? Yeah. This is numerator and denominator both are negative, means it is positive integer, children. This is negative, positive, negative result is negative only. Here you
Negative.
supposed to check 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 7 ones are 7 fives are 35. Here 5 table and any other things are there, children. Yes, you can simplify with which table? 6 table. 6 how many times?
6
Ma'am,
ones are 6. 6 6
6 6 are 36, 7s are
36.
42.
Times
Ma'am,
are
7.
42.
So what is numerators are left is 1 into 2 into 7. 1 into 2 into 7 is nothing but 14 divided by
Minus 14
denominator.
by 30.
Yes, denominator is 30.
I simplified it by
Again you can reduce it. Again you can reduce it to 2 table. It's minus 7 by 15 is your answer, children. This is correct. If you did wrong also, please correct the.
Ma'am, can you give one more question?
Yes, yes, I'm giving, children, because students are doing continuous errors in this. Let me give 1 or 2 bits for your practice. This is a third bit, third or fourth one. Yes, write down now. Just a minute, children. I'm giving questions. The little tricky ones I'm giving. Just write down. Minus 1 by 5 by 6. Children, is it what type of rational number?
Mixed.
Make
Come on, children. I didn't check. Come on, write down. 2, 3 by 4 multiplied with 5 by minus 5 by minus 6. Yes, this is fourth bit. Coming to fifth bit, nothing, children. You have to convert this as mixed number to improper. Then you're supposed to do as usual. And another bit I'm giving. 2 by 5th of first complete the fourth one. Meanwhile, I'll give the fifth one also. Write down minus 3 by 4 multiplied with minus 7 by 9 multiplied with minus 81 divided by minus 63. Only signs you're supposed to check, children. As usual, calculation like reducing how you are doing in your fractions chapter. Same way you're supposed to reduce, and but only sign part you're supposed to see. See here, 4th bit who completed, please put a chart, personal chart for me. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5 is minus 11 by 6. Multiplied with the 4 twos are 8, 8
11
plus
by 4.
yes, 8 plus
11
3
by
is Nana? 8,
11 by
11 by 4.
11 by 4 multiplied with minus 5 by minus 6.
6.
Since this is a positive integer, we know that since both are common signs, like signs, therefore we can take as this is positive, this is negative, the result will be negative only. One is minus, one is plus, means this
ma'am, the answer is very big one.
okay. Okay.
I also
Yeah, there is
so
no
that's minus
there is no
6.5.
simplification part here. That's why I gave one bit like that.
Yes, ma'am, minus 605 upon
5 by
144.
144.
605 upon 144 is correct answer, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So who got this? This is correct. Why? Because 11
I got
11s are 11 11s are 11 into 11 multiplied with 5. This
121.
is 121 multiplied with 5. If you multiply this, you are getting 125s are 600 plus 5 ones are 5, 605. The same way denominators you see 6 into 4 into 6, 6 6 are 36. 36 into 4, it's obviously 144. Yes, then the down one, you have to check the down one. Let me see the answers, how many are correct this bit.
Ma'am, is the fifth answer 3 by 4?
Yes, Sahu, Pallav, Akash, all are correct.
Ma'am, I
This
got
time.
the fifth
Jyoshika,
answer
then
as
also
3
correct.
by 4.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 3 by 4.
Which
Yes,
one, ma?
ma'am. Fifth one, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the fifth one.
Yeah. Since this
Last
is
term, minus sign will get cut.
uh,
7 ones are 7 nines are,
this
9
is
ones are 9
positive,
nines are.
this is negative, this is negative, this negative and negative becomes again positive. Total result you are getting as
Answer is
Ma'am, I got
positive.
answer as 3 by 4, ma'am, for me.
let me check.
Yes,
Even
ma'am,
I
3
got
by
3
4.
threes. Yes, 3 threes are 9. And here 3 table which will go, yes. 3 ones are 3 twos are 16. Yes, it is 27. Again 27 ones are, no. 3 nines are 27. Here 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are, again which table it will go to name? 7 table. 7
Ma'am,
ones
we
are
can
8.
directly do like that. 9 ones are 9 nines are, 7 ones are 7 nines are, 9 9 will get
Yes,
cancelled.
you
So
can.
3 upon
3
4
ones
will
are,
left.
3 threes are, yes, directly also you can do, children. It is 3 upon 4. Ultimately, at the end, you are getting only 3. On numerator,
Yes, ma'am, 3 by
denominator, you are
4.
getting as only 4.
Ma'am, I did it another way, but I also got the answer 3 by 4, ma'am.
Any method you can use, children, simplification, how you are feel comfort, you can use, but
Okay, ma'am.
the answer should be correct. Answer should be the same for all the students. Okay, children, shall I, you want more bits or can I cut till here? Can we go with the division?
Ma'am, give
Yes,
good
ma'am,
bits, ma'am.
division.
Shall we go with the division now? Any
Yes, ma'am,
more
division.
sums you need here?
No, ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
simple
division.
division.
Okay, it's only the thing in multiplication. Take care of your science, children. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but in revision, we in right hand side we have to do reciprocal.
Yes. I want a division of rational numbers. Children, in division of rational numbers, same like multiplication. Only first, before doing multiplication, you need to do one more step extra here. That's all.
Ma'am, we need to find the reciprocal.
Exactly, Sahasra. Good. Minus 7 by 19. Just a minute. Divide with 35 divided by 95. These both are negative signs, Nana. Numerator as well as denominator.
Ma'am,
Now, don't scare about your signs, ma. First, how you are doing, just you think about your fractions. 7 by 19, if you are dividing with the 35 by 95, so what you are doing, you just keep your first fraction as it is, and whatever the denominator fraction, this
Ma'am, the answer is
we
minus
should take the
1.
reciprocal and we should keep the multiplication sign.
yes, instead of division, you are keeping multiplication sign, and you need to take reciprocal of the second one.
25 by 20.
Yeah,
Ma'am, the
Answer
answer
is
is
minus
minus
1.
1.
yes,
Minus 1.
correct,
Ma'am, I also got minus 1.
correct. Now here we can simplify.
Ma'am, 7 ones are 7 fives are 19 ones are 19 fives are, and as 7 is negative, the answer will be minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1.
Very good. So here 1 you are getting, but coming to our original sum, you have to take the same like minus 19. We know that these both are negative. Numerator and denominator are negative means it becomes positive. We know that, children. Instead of division, you're supposed to take low system
Positive into
resource
negative,
audio
negative.
quality. Closing applications to improve performance. Okay. Yes. Here what you are getting?
Ma'am, can you do one more question?
Yes, minus.
Into 35 by 35.
Yes. Here both the signs are cancelled. It is positive. And the 19 ones are
19
19
ones are
fives.
Negative
19.
into positive,
7
negative.
ones are 7 fives. What is left over? Minus 5 by 5. This is nothing but minus 1 children.
-1.
Yes.
Minus 1, ma'am.
This is only simple division part I'm helping. Little later I'll give mixed sums, Nana. Yes. Mixed sums you have in your for your practice. I'll give the bits.
Ma'am, if there are mixed sums, so do we have to use BODMAS?
Yes, you can use because but in this class we didn't have. But your earlier class you have, right? Grade 7 you have mixed sums.
No, ma'am, we were having
Yes,
in
ma'am.
grade first, ma'am. Ma'am, in our school, we were having in grade fifth. We were having DMAS and
No,
BODMAS both.
mixed only you have 2 operations. I think rest of 2 operations you're supposed to learn in your senior class only. Mixed sums also very important, children, because some students they are doing errors in the mixed sums. You can
Ma'am,
use
because, ma'am, in this chapter, mixed questions we have to do by following some properties.
yes, using properties very simple.
Yes, ma'am, associative, commutative, distributivity.
Yes. Before going to, we don't know now the properties, but we are using general Y. Then you have to apply your same thing for properties for your simplification part. How much simple you have to check it. That's why properties of rational numbers also very important, vital role plays in your mathematics. Children, let me give one more bit in rational numbers.
Ma'am, give one more question.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nana.
ma'am, are you giving the next sum?
Yes, I'm giving now. Let me clear the screen and I'll give another bit.
No, I was unable to hear you. That's why I asked.
Okay, right, Sahu. Which bit it is? Question number, I think 7.
Ma'am, B. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, B in division.
yeah, B bit in division. Okay, or else A B. Okay. Write down, children. -4 divided by 2 by 3 multiplied with -7 by, sorry, -9 by -9 by 28. So in this sum, what we should do, children?
Ma'am, first
First,
the
we have
bracket.
to solve the
Ma'am,
bracket.
according to BODMAS, we have to solve the brackets.
Come on, start doing the brackets first. What you are getting, please divide with that minus.
Ma'am, 1 by 1 into 3 -3 by 14, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm getting answer as 56 by 3, ma'am.
56 by 3. Okay, put a chart, Nana. Put a personal chart. I am checking your messages. Meanwhile, even I am doing on the screen. So this bracket sums, if I simplified, 3 ones are 3 3.
Ma'am, it comes -3 by 14.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, -3 by 14.
Ma'am, 4 divided by -3 by 14.
yeah, it is -3 divided by 14. Now we know that in division what we are taking, multiplication we are taking, and reciprocal.
-4
15
into
by
14
3.
by -3. Ma'am, we can cut the minus symbol signs
Yes,
from
we
here.
can cut both the sides. We have numerator and denominator, so we can cut it as a positive. 14 fours are how much, ma?
4 by 1, ma'am. Ma'am, 14 4 by.
Yes, 14 fours are 56, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am, 56 by 3 answer.
Like that in mixed sums also they will use, children. No need of scare here. Anyway, numerator or denominator. Let me give more examples in this case. minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2 by 3 is a ratio.
Yes, ma'am, they can give 18 integer 2
Yes.
by 3.
Yes, minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 7.
Ma'am, you have written minus 2 by 13.
This whole divide with this whole divide with.
Ma'am, you wrote minus 2 by 13, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
wrote
yes.
minus 2 by 13, ma'am.
Yes, correct only. Minus 2 by 13 only you're supposed to take now. And this whole divided by minus 7 by 12. Minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 13. No, there are two different ways. The question is here to
Ma'am,
complete
like
equation only.
on our left side, ma'am, on our right side, we have to do the reciprocal and we have to multiply, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Any technique you use, and which is the shortest time you are using for to solve your sum, you're supposed to check now. Please give the answer in personal chat room so that I can see your answers. Once who completed, please give the sums. Very simple, children. What I said, you just remove your division and make your division as multiplication, and the rest of the fraction you make it as a reciprocal 7 by 1. The same way, this is also again division, right? This is division. The same thing, minus 7 divided by 12 multiplied with 13 by minus 2. Yes.
1.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can cut no, ma'am.
Yes, you can simplify,
no.
children. You can simplify.
Yes.
You can simplify. If anything will go, minus 14 by 13 is the first one, divided by.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sahu.
ma'am, do we have to put the answer in personal chat or tell
Yes.
you?
Yes,
Ma'am, second one I got
personal chat. 13.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am?
check. I just put it in personal chat.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the first one as minus 14 by 13, ma'am.
Yes, I
Second
got
one
one answer
minus
from
90.
Sahu. Yes.
Ma'am, second one is
Ma'am?
7 by 78.
Yes.
Ma'am, and the second one, I got minus 91 by minus 24, ma'am.
Yes. Minus 91.
Minus 4.
This meeting is gonna end.
91 by 24,
I need
ma'am.
to join this meeting again, ma'am. It will end.
Okay, right. Please join once again, children. If ends means please join. Come on, children, simplify it. Anyway, second fraction is both are numerator and denominator are
Okay,
like
ma'am.
lines
I'll
meaning is
rejoin.
positive.